Namaste to all. My name is Jay Satvik. I am studying 9th class in Civil Batch. Today I would like to share a few points about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the one of the pollution which contains a lot of destructions. We are habituated for the plastic because it is the cheap rate and we can throw anywhere. But it contains lot of destruction during the marine lives and the other animals. And plastic is an existing, durable, highly flexible and expanding to product and fundamental. It is a terrible determinant to the environment. It is, and in the fact we use too much plastic that we send the shock 12 billion metal tons of the plastic in the ocean each year. 103 the plastic pollution breaks down into the microplastic that finds their way to the fishes stones, microplastic that find their ways into the fishes stones and the bird nests. According to the marine food change, how can we prevent the plastic pollution from the destroying of Valvin Vacam ecosystem? This is the process problem for the Norway, whose inhabited precious times. That is why Norway campaign that research institute which has been leader in the offshore simple fishers and aquaculture industries for the decades and majorly resources in the fight plastic pollution are the major resources in the fighting plastic pollution in the ocean. While we are burning the plastic, it contains the lot of pollution in the environment. It contains the ozone layer damage. And focusing on the materials, ocean cleaning technology, revenues, and changing the values change, Norway in comparison have been come forward in the developing solution and the technology that can be helped to combat the plastic pollution and the plastic in the ocean. Here are some explanations. Using often technology to the collecting plastic pollution. It is implemented to find effect waste of the removing the plastic pollution that about the causing implementation damage to the ecosystem. And ideal plastic waste should be picked up before it kicks to the shape or before weather winds and the sun breaks it down in microbursts. Clean the sea robots and the automatic electrical equipment down, swim up the plastic waste from the sea surface with the help of the computer visions and the remote seeing the collectivity trash in the store. India has been the 94th rank in the plastic waste. Thank you for giving this opportunity.